just a small town girl. That was your guys' part. We're not there yet. What's up? Nebraska? You guys are down there. So I think I'm cute like a Ferbie. You don't know if I'm really cute or kind of creepy, but either way, you know I'm single. I am single. Dating's rough, man. Like, there's so much stuff you gotta do. And I'm adopted, too. I found out I was adopted, and I found out my birth dad was also adopted. So that makes me, like, third generation adopted. So ladies, thinking about having a kid you want to give up. We can keep it in the family. Or not. But dating is rough. Like, it's so much stuff you gotta worry about. Like, does this girl like me? What do her parents think? Being adopted, I gotta worry about, what if this girl's my sister? What are her parents gonna think? Does she like me? I'm from a small town, that's why I love coming up here. This is great. I love being from a small town. I'm from a small town up in Rocky Mountain National Park called Estes Park, Colorado. Anybody? Yeah, no. It's fun, but like, it's a tourist town. So like, in the summertime there's like 20,000 people up there. But in the wintertime there's like 20 people there. Like, my graduating class was me and Elk and Bill. It was great. The wildlife up there is crazy. All the tourists, they ask questions like, when did the deer turn into elk? There's no punchline to that joke. Where do you keep them at night? Yeah, we gather them at Bill's house. Except for those $3 over there I played poker with. And that one who listens to Justin Bieber. We have bears up there. I saw this one bear. Had 2 tags in one ear, 1 tag in the other ear, and a shock collar on. And I was like, Ma, what's up with the bear? That's a delinquent bear. It means he gets in trouble. Thanks, Mom, for explaining what delinquent means, in case I didn't already know. So a couple days later, I'm driving, and I see this like wine bottle stuck to this bear's face, and it's all reflecting, and then he pulls it off, and it's the same bear. 2 tags in one ear, 1 tag in the other ear, and shot collar, and I was like, oh no. Not only is this bear on probation, he's gonna get a BUI. I totaled my car, this is sad, but I totaled my car because I swerved to miss a bear. And not the same bear. I know you were wondering. And you're like, yes. And you're like, who are you talking to? But I swerved to miss a bear, and I totaled my car, went off this little, like, 20-foot cliff and hit a tree. And I got out, and it probably wasn't safe, but I ran away from the crash scene. Because I didn't want I swerved to miss a bear. So I didn't want the caption the next day to read, man survives crash, eaten by bear. Of course, knowing my mom, she would have been like, but at least he made the paper. Fun times, fun times. I love living up in the mountains. Growing up, I mentioned that I was adopted. Growing up adopted was crazy. Like, my dad never said lines like, I brought you into this world, I can take you out. Because he didn't. It was more like I'm from Walmart. Like, I brought you home, I can take you back. kept the receipt. But like, we never saw eye to eye. Like, I was always getting in trouble. Like, I was always getting grounded. Like, what is grounded, really? Like, it sounds like something Superman's dad would say. Like, where were you last night, Soup? I was out saving the world, pal. I don't care if you were saving Humpty Dumpty from a great fall. You missed curfew. Hand over your cape. You'll fly out for a week. You are grounded. You know, Superman's all sarcastic, right? He's like, Dad, I can see right through you. You guys are so awesome. Thanks for coming out tonight. I'm Bobby Bird. Be happy to have you.